English grammar is one of the most important aspects of learning the English language. It serves as the foundation for effective communication in both spoken and written English. Without proper grammar, it is difficult to convey our thoughts and ideas clearly. Grammar provides structure to a language and helps in creating meaningful sentences. It makes our speech and writing organized, understandable, and respectable. When we use correct grammar, we can express ourselves more confidently and accurately. Moreover, English is an international language and is used in education, business, science, and technology. To communicate globally, having good grammar skills is essential. People with strong grammar skills are often respected and valued in professional fields. In job applications, interviews, and office communications, correct grammar creates a positive impression. In academic life, it helps students perform well in exams, write essays, and give presentations. It makes reading, listening, speaking, and writing more effective and powerful. English grammar teaches us how to use words in the correct form and order. It includes rules for using tenses, parts of speech, sentence structure, punctuation, and voice. For example, knowing the correct tense helps us indicate the right time of action. Proper use of parts of speech makes our language smooth and meaningful. Punctuation marks like commas and full stops make our sentences clear and easy to read. In addition, grammar reduces misunderstanding in communication. A small grammatical mistake can change the entire meaning of a sentence. For example, let's eat grandma and let's eat grandma are completely different meanings due to a missing comma. This shows how vital grammar is in avoiding confusion and delivering clear messages. Learning grammar also improves our writing skills. It enables us to write letters, emails, articles, and reports effectively. It enriches vocabulary and helps us form correct and attractive sentences. In conversations, correct grammar boosts our confidence and allows us to interact freely with native and non-native English speakers. In this digital age, social media and online platforms are filled with written content. From posting on Facebook to writing a professional blog, grammar is necessary everywhere. It creates a good impression and shows that the person is educated and serious about their message. Also, people who know good grammar can easily learn other languages, as many grammatical concepts are similar. In conclusion, English grammar is essential for anyone who wants to master the language. It not only improves communication skills, but also opens the door to global opportunities. Students, professionals, and travelers must learn grammar to interact effectively and build relationships. Grammar shapes our language, adds beauty to our speech, and makes our writing impressive. Therefore, everyone should take grammar seriously and practice it regularly to enhance their language skills and succeed in life.